Attention Vero Beach, Sebastian, and Hutchinson Island. We have an exciting new position on our team that I can't wait to share with you. I'm Kayla Montgomery, Sales Manager with the Reynolds Team at Compass, and I'm thrilled to share our new position. We're now hiring employee agents with an annual salary, health and dental benefits, fuel allowance, and all business expenses paid on your behalf. We are so confident in our training, coaching, lead systems, marketing, and agent support services that we are willing to invest in rock stars like you. We created this opportunity for those who have always wanted to be in the real estate business, but may be held back by current employment needs and cannot risk the income loss or cannot afford their health care. This position is also built for agents who are already in the business, working hard, grinding daily, but not hitting the goals they aspire to or not getting enough lead flow. Give me a call or send me a text today and let's talk.